So what is the infimum and supremum of the set 1 by m plus 1 by n, m comma n belongs to natural number?
Hello, guys. Welcome to Cheenta's School of Statistics and Data Science. We are a team of extremely passionate teachers, researchers, and statisticians from the top universities of India and USA. Our mission is to help you curve your career in statistics, data science, and machine learning.
Supremum. So whenever write a subset of R, just assume that it is non-empty, otherwise there's no point. So supremum of a subset S of R. So M is the supremum of S if and only for every epsilon greater than 0 there exists an S in S such that M minus epsilon is strictly less than S. So this is the hardcore mathematical definition. So what does it actually mean? It means that if M is the supremum of S, so if M is the supremum of S, then if I take a little bit, I mean, if I take a little bit lesser number than M, then there exists an element in S which will supersede that. Is that clear? Any doubt in this definition? The definition is, so if I actually write it down like this, what this actually means is if M is the supremum of S, then if I take any smaller number than M, then there exists an element S in S such that S is strictly greater than the smaller number than M, let's say N, then there exists a S in S such that S is strictly greater than N. So that is the definition. So that's where that epsilon actually comes. So epsilon greater than 0, that means epsilon is a very small number. Like let's not get into too much of real analysis. So epsilon is a very small number. So if it is smaller than the smallest number you can actually imagine. You can actually think of it like that. Okay, at the very beginning of my BSc level, I used to think it like this way. So even if I take a very small portion of n, I mean, like even if I take a subtraction of a very small number from n, which is almost negligible, even then I would also have this inequality. So that's the supremum. So now you can actually imagine what the infimum is. So infimum, the definition of infimum. Okay. So what is the definition of infimum? If I actually add a little bit to the, if I actually add a little bit to the infimum, then it will always be greater than some number that is present in that set. Precisely. So you have actually understood the definitions pretty soundly. Okay, so that's exactly what supremum and infimum is. Now I have actually given you as the definition as a subset of real lines. Now it can be applied over anything. Okay, now over anything that will come actually later, but right now we will restrict ourselves into describing the subsets of this.
To book a trial class for your preparation courses of IITJM MS, ISIM Stat and CMI MS Data Science, check out the first link in the description below. If you're enjoying the video, show some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. We welcome you again to this passionate community of budding statisticians and data scientists.